jotonw no lamsogo friends song nirokno tini important update rogani hi nirokno ma phaige tini nirok video je nugnai nironi bagai kapal kahamne sekang rogo je TRESP ni apply khainai 2023 rogo apply khainai rokongke nirok pogoi ni tongbai khana baksa ingke nirokno tini exam ni bagai update rogani hi ma phaige tribal welfare ni bukhak tike kaisa nirok apply khailai mani TRESP Tripura Tribal Economic Growth and Service Delivery Project ni o samung rogo khlaijangnai je tribal welfare ni project rok no samung khaigani omo post no apply khainai rok je tuma post tabo apply khainai rok exam solenai kenadi category 1 ni to sekango thangi pe ha bo exam ni result rok sarogi pe ha merit list rok bo pokoi pe ha taboke category 2 te 3 ni exam solenai je category 2 3 khobjangma ni hingke producement manager finance and producement manager social district program manager education 3 ni go hingke district manager livestock district manager fishery district manager post harvest and marketing account officers cluster coordinator agri and horticulture cluster coordinator livestock and fishery o post rogo apply khaini rokni angka category 1 to 3 ni exam nai bofro ni sing exam solenai ting bohaino tini ni aptiro nai nelenai bo jaga go exam solenai bohaino go nai nelenai je support staff ni go apply khainai class 12 te 8 pass rok ke apply khaimo mani bongke category 4 bongke category 4 rom jaga bongke exam soliya kho bone notice sokpaya kho je tini ni update o sokpai mani no chung nai gine lenai tini ni update o kwbangma no interview rok ni bagai update sokpai mani no nai gine lenai tini tama sokpai jatong nirok bohaino nagi paithak jora nailedi video no nirok ni informative update nangmani update dingjagai ni tonghangke nirok channel by jephro krengai tonglai di te subscribe khai tonglai di nirok ang daily ne nangmani update rok rogoi tongo government job te private job rok ni je samung nai tugoi tongnai rok ni update rok daily ni update video go nirok nugui mane ani bagai channel by jephro krengai tonglai di nirok oma haikene jephro nugui ni tongnai je samung nai tugoi tongnai rok ni bagai belai khane nirok ni omo channel nangkuk mani nangnai ingke fadi nai nile friends on nailadi notice written examination for different vacant for a post vacant category 2 and 3 under society for TRSP by recruitment advertisement number TRSP 2024-25 o afro nirok apply khainai rok ingke nirok ni bagai exam solenai the exam will be held on 30 November 2024 in the Maharani Tulsi Body MTV Girls High Secondary School Agartala oro jaga go exam nai 30 November 2024 ni Maharani Tulsi Body Girls High Secondary School exam solenai serial number 1 o tongo category 2 11 ta সময় ni siming 12 ta 30 exam solenai te break najangnai break ngai te waisa category 2 category 3 ni exam solenai 1:30 PM ni siming 3 PM jora exam solenai ingkate bon information nagi nadi necessary information for the written examination and admit card hall ticket will be communicated to the shortlisted candidate rules and regulations for the exam has been mentioned in the admit card hall ticket for any further query about the exam or admit card hall ticket candidate may visit nirokni query te admit card rokni bagai hingke website o hagai visit khaidi nirok website o nugui manai www.tripurajobs.tnmhr.com o website o hagai nirok visit khaidi again nirok admit card rok na koi manai hai ke ba ni email rok bo check khai nai di o email o phano ngi mau ingke ni rok ni nangmani tini ni update jagoi tongke ni rok like khai di share khai di ni rok friends no bo share di je exam omoni apply khai ni rok exam rogoi manatei je masa video no share khai di support lai di ang no jephro ni important update rogoi ni tongnai the next nai nai Central Agriculture University advertise applications are invited in the prescribed form for filling up the post of professor and associate professor of all constituent college and multi-technology testing center vocational training center of Central Agriculture University in Kwtal. Candidate form can be downloaded from the university website. Professor the associate professor roni bagai college ni multi technology testing center ni training center ni bagai agriculture university go kaisa niro job rok ni bagai je tabo professor associate ni naigani interest tongnai rok teacher ni bagai ngini rok form no download khaige o job ni bagai apply khlai manai website o nirok visit khaige form rok download khlai manai www.cau.sc.in o website o hagai nirok form rok download khlai manai omongka kaisa vocational training center Central Agriculture University Imphal by chalokjak omo je agartala go tongui tongmani agriculture o jaga ni teikhene interview rok najangnai getting ponte nalefine the duly completed application form along with relevant document and prescribed fees je document rok ni bagai exam fee rok ni bagai ingke you are OBC candidate rok ni bagai 1000 rupees rang fee maronai te SC ST PWD women candidate rok ni bagai ingke rang nang yakhanai registered Central Agriculture University Imphal or before 26 December 2024 ni bisingkono apply makhailai rangnai online apply makhainai te online teine rang rokbo marhornai details of the advertisement and application form may be downloaded from university website or thangai nirok advertise tabuk notification rokno details ke nugui manai ke nirok application form rokno download kai fee hingke online te numa khainai bohai hingke nirok website of visit khai nai di apply khlaigan interest tongnai ro hingke boni last day 26 December 2024 ni bisingo ma apply ma khairangnai amungka Central Agriculture University Imphal ni then next nai walk in interview amungka walk in interview ni bagai North Tripura district or monogoni teke sokaimani a walk-in interview and working interview will be held on 29 November 2024 at 11 a.m. in the conference hall of DM's office North Tripura district for suitable candidate for recruitment in the post of district program officers naidi khnadi interview chole nai 29 November 2024 ni 11 a.m. afro chole nai conference hall chole nai DM officer North Tripura district o jaga thayo interview maro nai post ni bumangkha district program officer short form by inge DPU omongkha contractual basis ke temporary basis ke najangnai disaster management ni bagai Tripura tabo district selected candidate will be engaged on contractual basis for 11 months je select nai rokno 11 month ni bagai o samongo narak jangnai tei nirokni performance ka hangai tong hangke extend rokbo khlai jangnai omo post na apply khaigani bagai qualification hangke graduate jephro discipline nagai jephro university ni angaibo apply khlai manai haphano nirokni computer knowledge robo tongani nangnai post ni bumung ton nirokno district program officer DPO other criteria rokno songnai hangke at least 5 years ni experience disaster manager related working in a government or recognized registered institute rogo je experience tongnai rokke khlai manai salary monthly 25,000 ke rojangnai the interested candidate are requested to appear before the interview board along with his her application in prescribed format amno ni rok offline thangai apply ma khlainai kaisa form no nagai application form no nagai ni rok fill up khagai maronai with photograph affix as well as relevant documents in original and photocopies of the testimonial as per format as attached nirokni photocopy tei document je nangmani original log tilangi aprop phunukani bagai document original log matilangnai the application and essential document will be checked and verified before appearing in the interview board document no nirokno apro check khlaijangnai original rokno je nangmani document rok the format of application with details etc will also available at district office application form rokno nirok bo jaga o manai hingke je DM office no thangai nirok interview rokani thangfrono form no nagai fill up khlai rok manai hingke nirok North Tripura district o thangai apply khlai manai boni website o nirok details ke naigani bagai naigi manai website o northtripura.nic.in o website o hagai nirok visit khai nai manai geje apply khaigani interest tongnai rok nirok wakin interview thangai rogi manai nirokni graduation khlaijak angkene apply khlai manai then next nalainai notification for written test common aptitude test omo buni rokni bagai belai khe nangmani nirokno important update ni bahai hai rogani hi omono update rogani buma phaige this for the information to the candidate apply for the following post that the written test common aptitude test for 85 mark shall be recommends on 24 November 2024 at 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. on the following centers. The examination will be undertaken on common question come answer paper for all the 3 posts mentioned below. All the eligible candidates as per the list uploaded at website are instructed to appear to the test as per the schedule below. Omono jeni rok apply khaigani jese kango apply khainai rok multi-purpose staff peon multitasking staff omongke je Sofed ni bukhak tike ni rok apply khlainai rok omono ni rok exam maro chinai bofro exam maro nai inkenai di multi-purpose staff ni no je apply khainai rok inke Henry Dirigio Academy Kumaritila Kunjamon Agartala o jaga ko exam maronai serial number token number 1 is meaning 259 candidate rokke o jaga ko exam maronai second number o tongo peon ni go Women ITI Indranagor Agartala ko exam maronai serial number 1 is meaning 122 candidate rok o poso apply khainai rokke o jaga thaya interview maronai o exam maronai 3 number tongo multitasking staff group tinigo je apply khainai rokke Maharani Tulsiboti High Secondary School tei Bodjung Boys High Secondary School lo exam maronai Maharani Tulsiboti High Secondary School lo serial number 1 is meaning 500 ro tongui tongnai rokke Maharani Tulsiboti maronai tei Bodjung Boys High Secondary School lo exam rogani bagai hingke 501 is meaning 763 o je token number tongnai serial number tongnai rokke afro exam maronai. Hai ke nirok website of visit khai ge bu nirok nugui manai joto details te nirokni admit card rok bu download khlai manai website o hadi www.sofed.tripura.gov.in website o hadi te afro nirok nirokni admit card je nangmani rok bu o suijako na nugui manai. Engke nirokni informative tinini update wngjagai tongke nirok channel je masak video no je masak share khailaidi te Kwtal kongke subscribe khai tonglaidi nirokni jephro ni important update daily update video go nirok nugui manai government job ungthang private job ungthang school college ni update student rok pore goi tongnai rok ni bagui bu daily no mai ke update nirok nang je masak share khainai nirok channel by jephro krangai tonglaidi engke tinini update asung sinai jotonw hambai.